to Bharat Frontliners. I'm Urvashi Sharma. Across Bharat today, women are not just participating in growth, they're shaping it, building enterprises, preserving traditions, and redefining leadership on their own terms. And that's exactly what this new segment is about. She is Bharat. Conversations with women whose journeys reflect ambition, resilience, and impact. Our first guest today is Rekha Paladi, an entrepreneur who brings together two different worlds. On one hand, she is the founder of Sri Sai Sangeeta Nitralay, nurturing young talent in Bharatnatyam and Carnatic music. On the other, she is actively involved in building ventures in the food and distribution business. Her journey reflects a powerful idea that passion, enterprise, and purpose can coexist. Welcome, Rekha. Welcome to Bharat Frontliners.
Um, Thank you, Urvashi, and thank you, Bharat Frontliners, for giving me this opportunity.
All right. Okay. So Rekha, let's dive into exactly what your entrepreneurship and your journey looks like. Uh, so Rekha, every entrepreneur eventually reaches a moment when they decide to stop participating in system and they start building something of their own. What was your trigger point? That no, I don't want to be in the system anymore, and now I want to build my own entrepreneurship.
For me, entrepreneurship was less about a single turning point and more about a gradual shift in the mindset. I realized that I was not someone who was satisfied just being part of the system. So I always wanted, always asking, how things could be done better. And when you start noticing gaps in how industries function, especially like in areas like food, sourcing, trade in, like for example, like we make sambar idli, right? So take sambar for instance. Even if we make it, anybody makes it, every day you will not get the same taste. थोड़ा आगे
Yes,
पीछे होता है.
of
So
course.
imagine you have a chef giving you that sambar every day, and suddenly the chef is gone, another chef comes. The taste changes, and the customers are not happy. So
Mm-hmm.
this is what we wanted to stabilize across the board. Have a consistency. Day 1 or day 30 में same taste आएगा, like that. So you also start thinking about how to build something more efficient and reliable. That curiosity and desire to create better systems and consistent taste is what slowly pushed us towards entrepreneurship. It was
And that
really about wanting the freedom to build something with like my own standards of quality and responsibility.
exactly. So that freedom of experiment,
Yes.
of maintaining that consistency, is that something that entrepreneurship does to you? Very nice, very inspiring. I would say that I want consistency every day, 1 to 30, because people normally do not put much of a thought there once their business is
Yeah.
settled up, once they are into the system.
Yes.
So thoughtful, and so inspiring of you, Rekha.
Thanks.
So, when we are talking of your entrepreneurship, you lead multiple ventures, including SF International and Sumukam Enterprise. When you look at building businesses today, what principles guide the way you identify opportunities and create value?
When I look at opportunities, I usually ask a few questions, simple questions. Is there a real demand in the market? Can we build a reliable system around what you want to do? And most importantly, can we sustain it for a longer term?
Hmm.
In industries like food and agriculture products, trend comes and all these trends come and go, but quality and consistency will always matter. So my focus has always been in creating value through reliability.
And
So
in
building
today's
supply
world,
chains. Yes.
wherein trend changes overnight,
Yes.
it becomes very, very difficult to remain consistent and remain up to the bar that you have already set for yourself.
So if you maintain that quality and you're consistent with your supply, I think you will be good. So like if even in building supply chains, that people, those people have to trust you.
Of
They
course.
have to, they have to say, okay, you ordered today, you will get on a set date. That is most
Hmm.
important. And also maintaining standards that your partners or the clients, they can depend on. So I think businesses grow best when they focus on solving real problems rather than just I think chasing quick opportunities. मुझे कल जल्दी rich होना है, वो जरूरत नहीं है. I
Very,
think that doesn't
very
work
well
for.
said. Very well said. I think ये तो ना आप emerging leaders को भी बोल सकते हो that you, you should be consistent and look about sustainability rather than just grabbing quick opportunities whichever land up. Very, very well said.
Thanks.
तो रेखा मुझे ये बताइए, एवरी बिजनेस कुछ भी देखे दे हैव सम डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट्स ऑलवेज. कोई एक मोमेंट होता है वेयर इन द एंटायर ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ योर बिजनेस defines or get changed somehow. Can you share one such moment with us that tested your leadership? And what did you got out of it as a learning in disguise, जैसे?
There are a lot of moments like that, but like one important lesson I have learned in business is that growth needs to be managed very, very carefully. There was a point where we had the opportunity to expand quickly through a very large deal. It looked very promising on the surface, but then operationally, it meant like we stretching out our systems, our budgets, of course, faster than like we were comfortable with. So choosing to slow down and strengthen our internal structure instead of rushing into rapid like
Yeah.
expansions was not easy. It was a very not easy decision, but it reinforced something that I strongly believe: sustainable, slower growth is always better than faster, unstable growth. They say no in Hindi, jitni chadar utni phaila or something.
Mm.
So I think that, that moment taught me that the importance of patience and discipline, decision making is very important in business. Don't
This
rush
can
like that.
this can only come from experienced business person
वो मार
like
खा
you.
के आता है after you
That is what.
get a few blows, because when you enter business you think अरे business क्या है कर लेंगे. It is not that easy. When children come to learn dance from me also, parents ask, डांस ही सो सिखाते हो मैम, इसमें क्या है?
I
डांस ही
know.
सो
I can
सिखाना, it's not
absolutely
easy.
feel you.
Not easy. So much of patience, so much of strategy is required.
Of course, of course. And I mean, dance is any which way very close to my heart as well. I have been
Okay.
there. I have
Oh,
felt
nice.
so. डांस का ही तो एग्जाम है, कौन सी बड़ी बात होगी?
Yeah, that's not that easy.
So
It's
those
a
are your
pleasure.
values. So
Yes,
it
yes.
is sheer pleasure, of course, and that's your experience talking, getting the blows, maar kha ke aana. That is your experience talking, and that I think has taught you the value of slow growth, the importance of slow growth, I would say. So Rekha, tell me something about your sector, your line of business, which is food and trading, right? Margins can be very tight. Competition is very, very intense. How do you build a business that balances equality, pricing, and as you always say, long term sustainability?
See, in industries where margins are tight, the real differentiator is efficiency. You have to manage sourcing carefully, build strong supplier relationship, and ensure that your processes are organized, like SOPs जो
Mhm.
होते हैं, you have them
Right.
in place, right?
Standing
If
operating
operations
procedures.
are,
Operating.
yes, standard operating procedures. So if your operations are disciplined, it becomes possible to maintain that quality without inflating cost. Like me and my brother, we create all the recipes, right? So we made sure even वो salt जितना ग्राम है उतना ग्राम ही गिरेगा, because if a little bit up and down, you talking about 1 gram, what is a big difference if 1 gram gets more? But when you do it in scale, 1 gram becomes 1 kilo when you do a big production, right? Big size production. So it's very important to have that um, things, all those small things in place. So I like it becomes possible to maintain these qualities without inflating costs only by having proper SOPs, correct?
Nice.
And
Yeah.
then I also believe that long-term relationships are extremely valuable in this sector. So
Hmm.
when partners trust your standards and your reliability, the business moves beyond simple transactions and it becomes more stable. My father-in-law, my late father-in-law, Lal Paladi, he was such a genius. Um, वो जब भी बात करते हैं, you learn a lot of things. He's a businessman. He started with nothing, and today we have a running big business in Trinidad. He always used to say one thing which stuck with me. Good quality products at affordable prices draws good and happy customers. So you grow with the community slowly but surely. So that always stuck with me. See,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow. लीडरशिप लेसन्स घर में ही चल रहे हैं. नो एमबीए
हाँ, he's
रिक्वायर्ड.
a genius. He's a visionary kind of person. वो उनको पता रहता है. I don't know how he knows, but he knows certain
Wow.
things. I mean, with experience you get, but
Right.
and he does a lot of seva as well. He always said,
Oh,
don't mind you make money, make sure some of that at least goes back to the community, serve them, help people who need, you know.
right.
So just
Right.
don't just earn, paisa, paisa, paisa. Nahi, use nahi hai.
Whatever
You
you
also
get,
give.
give to the
What you
community
get,
as.
you give also. Yeah.
Right. Right. So this is very much in line in my next question. Rekha, I'm hearing you talk not just about growth. What I hear from you is execution discipline. You are choosing slowing down to be slow down rather than exploding, wherein you got opportunity to rapidly expand as well. Tell me one system or a practice that have helped you stay consistent and at the same point scale your venture as well.
So consistency comes from, I think, structure, proper structure. Even in businesses, that seems very traditional. Having clear processes and
Hmm.
accountability makes a
Hmm.
huge difference. We focus on maintaining organized systems for sourcing, logistics, and operations. So and we regularly review how those systems are performing. You can't just make a system and leave it and bolo, it will run.
Right.
So you'll
Right.
always have to be at. So at the same time, I believe leaders should stay connected to the ground realities of the business. Be there, see there, do. Understanding what is actually happening in operations, that also helps ensure that
Right.
the strategic decisions वो practical होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि okay, I have to make 10 parathas, okay, I don't need so much stuff, हटा दो. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be practical in your approach. Okay, I can't afford this, so वो बंद कर दे. ऐसा नहीं होना. You have to have
Hmm.
proper strategies. You should be practical also. You can't just say, some people draw bada buildings, but
Hmm.
practically वो बना नहीं सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be
Correct.
practical and it should be feasible also.
Right. Right. And then you audit it time to time,
Yeah, you
and then
have
you
to
fix
be there.
whatever is missing.
Yes, because it's yours, right?
It is
If
your
you are
baby.
not involved, it will not grow.
Correct. Correct.
You
It is
have to
your
be
baby.
there.
Yeah. So as you speak, Rekha, that you have to be there, you have to take care of it because it is yours. So this shows that leadership today is as much about people as it is about numbers.
Yes, yes, definitely.
You are work. What I understand is that you are working on ground level with your team day in day out. What is the kind of culture and value are you trying to build within your team?
See, for me, the most important things are clarity, respect, safety, and trust.
Wow.
So people perform their best when they know what is expected of them and when they feel that their work is valued. Correct? It's like I'm
Yes.
working somewhere, people should appreciate. Thoda value dena chahiye. I have done so much thing. We try
Correct.
to create an environment where individuals take responsibility for their roles, but
Mm-hmm.
also feel very comfortable contributing their ideas. See, they work so they know, they get to know better. That system they get to know better than even you who have made the system.
Right.
See, every day one guy makes this paratha.
Hmm.
So at the end of the day, I have made the recipe, yes, but he becomes an expert in making that, you know. So उनका जो contribution है वो if you take, your business will grow as well.
Of
And
course.
our
Of
staff all follow different religions. So we start our day with prayers respecting all the religions, like Gayatri, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and then the Lord's Prayer as well. So we make sure all are comfortable. You know, there is no वो झगड़ा नहीं है. So everybody
So
is comfortable in
diversity
their
is
own way.
harmonized in your
Yes, yes,
organization.
yes.
Everything is
Also,
peaceful.
also integrity is also extremely important to me. So in
Mm-hmm.
sectors that depend heavily on partnership and supply chains, credibility also becomes one of the strongest assets, you know, as a
Correct.
business can, you know, otherwise it will not build. If you're not credible, you're not in the market.
Of course. Of course. Of course. So that is one of your major,
Yeah,
major value. You have to be credible. People can
yeah.
lean back on the sambar or on parota.
Yes, yes. They have to say no, yes, मैं trust कर सकती हूँ. I have to. Otherwise, they'll not like. There are so many in the market. How will you lead?
Of course. Of course. Of course. So when there's so many in the market, Rekha, tell me, where do you see the next wave of opportunity emerging for entrepreneurs in India?
Okay, this is a wide-ranging question.
Indeed.
I
Pick,
think
pick,
India
pick
has.
three of your
Okay,
most favorite ones, maybe.
like I think India has enormous, um, areas like food processing, agricultural products, and value-added products. Exports. That is nice, and there,
Mhm.
and there is also increasing demand globally for high quality products. But what international markets look for most is consistency again and reliability. That's what they look for.
Can you
And
elaborate a bit on what are high quality products? What are you focusing on there? What are you
okay,
suggesting?
high quality products is anything that goes from India, anything. Um, they mostly check quality. इंडिया
Mhm.
में आप एक शैम्पू लेते हो,
Hmm.
so and you take that same shampoo outside, it will be pakka different. I know that's what I have seen,
Okay.
because they want a particular quality, otherwise they reject your products. Even
Okay.
when we send food, they want a particular set of itna ye, itna fat, itna wo, itna everything they want, everything particular standard they have when you're
Okay.
exporting. So
Okay.
it can be food, it can be anything. I think even clothes. I have not done anything in clothes, but I think
Okay.
all anything you're sending, they have a particular
Standard.
quality that should be maintained when you send
Okay.
anything abroad.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is what I was saying. So consistency again, and quality, consistency, and reliability. These are three most important things for any business. Either ho, bahar ho, kidhar bhi ho, that's very, very important. And I think entrepreneurs who can build strong supply chains and
Hmm.
maintain global standards will find significant opportunities. वो तो मिल जाएगा once you have these three standards. And
Right.
I also believe India is a land of arts. So
It is.
artistic ventures like dance, music, ho, paintings, you know, any Tanjore paintings, any paintings, 3D paintings, they are bound to be fruitful. So
Yeah.
I believe the future will belong to businesses that combine traditional sectors with better organization. टेक्नोलॉजी, आजकल तो बहुत एआई चलता है, एंड देन क्वालिटी
Correct.
कंट्रोल, वो हम लोग को वी हैव टू मेक श्योर, या
So,
क्वालिटी।
entrepreneurs out there, mark Rekha's word. Whatever you do in the
Oh my
land of
God.
opportunities, please ensure you're consistent throughout. You're reliable.
Quality,
You have to
consistency,
create
and reliability. That is the most important.
whichever opportunity you are picking on to.
Yeah, yeah.
Finally, Rekha, tell me, when you think about the long arc of your entrepreneurial journey, what kind of impact or legacy do you want your venture to create?
See,
Favorite one, no?
for me, success is not just about growth in numbers. It's never been.
Hmm.
What matters in is building businesses that are respected, reliable. Again, I'll come back to the same thing, and sustainable over time.
Right.
If our ventures can create stable networks for suppliers, provide opportunities for people to grow and contribute positively to the industry that we work in, it could be
Mm-hmm.
any industry, and that would be meaningful. And I am a very strong woman empowerment person. So, woman empowerment and upliftment also is something I advocate very, very strongly for. So, and I hope our businesses can provide also a safe space for that as well. And ultimately, I hope the companies I build stand for again quality, integrity, and long-term value. So,
Very nice. Very nice. Well said, Rekha. I think I will take this one point. A very strong advocate of women empowerment. So
yeah.
on that note, wishing you a advance Women's Day wishes to you, Rekha. And I guess
Thank
that is the reason you are here as part of She's Bharat.
Okay. Thank you so much for the
So
opportunity.
Rekha, so Rekha, thank you. Thank you for sharing your journey and your vision with us. Your
Thank you so
story
much.
reminds us that leadership today is defined by courage to create, to contribute, and to build something that is meaningful and, of course, sustainable. And that is the spirit that we celebrate here. Women who build, who lead, and who truly represent what it means to say, She's Bharat. And to our viewers, keep watching Bharat Frontliners because across this nation, women are stepping forward with purpose. She leads, she builds, she inspires, she is Bharat.